that's weird. Pinkie Pie should be here right now because we still have to get Fluttershy, and we can't be late for camp, or else they're going to think we didn't come, and then it will be a total disaster!
Okay, I'm here. Sorry, I was
Let's
late.
go get Fluttershy before we're late for camp. Sorry, Fluttershy, my cousin was here late. Come on, Pinkie!
Okay, let's go. Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Hi, girls! Yeah, we're here! Come on, guys! Let's go in the cabin! Yeah! I'm in too!
Well, hello, girls. Are you ready for your first day of camp?
Yeah! Woo!
Okay, come on, let's go. Us dear cabin girls, enjoy your stay. Supper will be ready in like 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah. All campers come to
Oh,
the
I
mess
think
hall,
that's us.
please.
We better go for
All
supper.
campers for dinner, please.
Okay, yes, let's go.
Oh, yeah, don't forget me!
Girls, enjoy your supper. Today it's salad and water.
Yum!
Girls, it's time for the hike. Goodbye! Hi, guys! Isn't this so much fun? I'm knocking
Ow!
everybody
Since
over.
when did you act like this?
I don't know. I'm just being stupid right now. Well, this is the best camp ever.
Wow! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Tailless rarity.
But
Please note that there were no ponies harmed in the making of this film.
subscribe to become a music writer or a raindrop today. Yay! Bye!
Don't forget to comment.